Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes, and pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is what is the IRS CP2100 or CP2100A notification and when to expect it? Now, what is that notification? So it is a notice to financial institutions, to businesses, to payers who filed certain types of information returns that don't match IRS records. Now, included in the information returns is the 1099 MISC as well as the 1099 NEC, which are two versions of the 1099s that are most filed or distributed in accounts payable. Now, the difference between the two forms is the CP2100 will be sent to you if you filed more than 50 information returns, and the CP2100A will be sent to you if you file less than 50 information returns. And I say will be sent to you, but let's talk about why you may receive them. So why you receive these forms? Well, the first reason is that the information returns submitted is missing a 10. So the 1099 MISC or the 1099 NEC, for example, that you filed did not include a taxpayer identification number. Another reason is that the information return submitted has an incorrect name. So that means that the vendor legal name plus the taxpayer identification number combination did not match IRS records, or it could be both. Now, when should you expect them? So September and October is when you would receive information returns for the most recent tax year filed. Now, the second time that they come out in the year is in April, and these are for information return corrections for the prior tax year filed. So, for example, in September or October of this year of 2022, you will receive either the CP2100 or the CP2100A for tax year 2021. So for the information returns that you filed for tax year 2021. Now, in April of 2023, you will receive the CP2100, CP2100A for the tax year 2021, but this time it'll be for the corrections. Now, how do I know when to expect them? Well, because I subscribe to the IRS tax tips. Now, to make sure you get those notifications, you can subscribe as well to the IRS tax tips, and they will send an email when they send those tax forms, those CP2100, CP2100A. When they send those forms out, they'll send a notification. As you can see on this one, the notification was sent on April 15th to say that in mid-April, those forms would go out. And that could be important to you, especially if you have additional departments within your company where those forms could be sent. This way, you know that they're on their way and you can check with the applicable departments to see if they came in. Now, I will have a link in the comments for the IRS tax tips so that you can sign up. So make sure you check that out. And if you would like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website at debrarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and just overall bad vendor data. So good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.